Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial. And this video tutorial is regarding the very powerful command. And we will use that command very much in CK and CKS or in Linux also. So that command is Grep. And what Grep does the searching or filtering type of thing. So whatever you want to search, suppose there is a big file and you want to search something. So you just like Grep that something and give reference to the file, so it will search that file and give the line where it is there. Let's get started into the directly terminal. So I'm in the terminal and I will just ls hyphen l. So I'll just redirect into the file. So I will have a file that is grep.demo. So I will cat grep.demo. so here ls desktop is there. So what I will do, control L, I will tmax just for the understanding, control B and %. So control B, left arrow, ls, I'll cat this file, cat demo, oh sorry, control L, cat grep dot. So you'll finding here that's cat grep dot demo. Now I'll right arrow. Here you will see what grep does. So I'll find grep desktop and grep.demo. So it will write this line for you. Okay. So if you want a line that don't have desktop, so grep -v. So these are the line don't have desktop. Control L. Suppose I don't know what the means. It's a D. It's a I write like this. So you won't find anything because it's a case sensitive things. So what I will do, I will just write ignore the case sensitivity. So you will find this desktop. Great. So this is one thing you can do. You can do this like ls-l and this pipe symbol. Whatever this pipe symbol is the input to the here, means from the left side it's the input to the command which is in the right. So I'll grep here and I'll write desktop. Same type this will print if I will write -i, same way. So it doesn't require pipe symbol, but if you want to give or if you want to do in a good means convenient way, you can do both way. And if you want to grep, just I will pwd. So I'm in the root directory, home directory. Control B, left side, I will press Control L plus cd/etc Kubernetes man. So ls-l. So here these are the file and I want to know these are the files, and in one file some port is there. So what I can do, grep/etc Kubernetes manifest. Here grep port I will put high also, and then I'll put star so that it include all files. So you'll find that all the files, whichever I'll make it little, whichever content ports, you can do more best way that you can put and also. So the line number will also get printed. This is the 42, 40, like these are the 26 number, port number. So everywhere it can search. So most of the time we do require control B, left side. So cat cube API server. I want to know the host path and these two lines. So control B, right arrow. I will write like this, cube cat /cd cat etc Kubernetes manifest, and then I'll cube API server, and then I'll grep and then port grep-i port. So ports are there. Sorry, host name. I want host name. Sorry, host path here. Host path. So there are let's say I want volumes. So I write volumes and then A4 -A4. So you will get after 4 lines. Means you find volumes and after that 4 lines is also written there. If you want, then you can E. So both before and after. Okay. And if you write B, then before. So this I mostly use this before E4, and there are many, but importantly we will use this. So this is a short session for the grep command. Have a look at the playlist, because we do have a kinds of playlist where you can find important stuffs. Because if you want to follow the sequence Then playlist is very important. Otherwise random videos are available, because sometimes I put videos on the command, sometimes I put videos on the cks, I can ck or something else. So better, if you are going through a constant flow, then playlist is better for you. Thank you so much for your love and support, and please provide the comment also, so that I can improve on. Thank you so much.